Okay, today we're going to put new handlebar tape on this small little road bike. I believe it's a 46 centimeter bike with 650 wheels, good for like a person 5 feet and under. I bought it for my son many years ago, and I want to put new handlebar tape on it to hopefully sell it since the white is all dirty. Okay, let's see what tools we're going to need here. I'm going to need a razor knife. We're going to need a screwdriver to pry the caps out with, and a small one too we'll have on hand. A pair of scissors, and a needle nose. That should do it. Okay, we're going to start by taking the cap out of the end. I'm only going to do one side here. I don't want to bore everybody doing both sides. You should be able to pick it up from this. Very easy to do. Pry the old cap out. I probably glued it in when I did this last time. Yeah. Got to lift the boot up over the shifter. Actually, I have to start at the top here. It's very sticky. There's like glue underneath it. And I don't like to clean the glue off because I want it to be sticky to help hold the new one on. Okay, ready for new. This is some pretty nice tape I bought at Amazon. It was about $10. It's like a spongy type of foamy tape. The center cap there. And the other side, and has two strips of tape that's like junky. I'll try to use them, but I usually wind up using regular tape. Has this paper that covers the glue on the back of this. It's a little bit of a pain in the neck, but you need it to help hold it in place. Okay, getting started is a little tricky because you need an overhang. If you don't have an overhang, you don't have anything to hold the plug in the end. You need to pull it tight and space it correctly. There's a glue script on the back, and I use that as a guide. It looks nice when it's evenly spaced. They have to crisscross around the shifter itself. See, I went around and now I'm going to come around back again underneath. You got to keep this tight. I'm going to go back over the top again, keeping the glue strip in line. See if I can put this tape on. Oh, it broke. No, I'm going to go use regular electrical tape. You got to trim it just right so that you have enough to fold in, but you don't want too much in that you can't put the cap on. And that holds the cap in place. Okay, we're going to put the shifter boot back down. And the top of it pulled out of the clip, so I just got to pull it back over. I need some pliers. And bang that cap in a little better. And there you go. Not a perfect job, but good enough to sell it.